everyone, welcome back to my channel which is all about yoga, nutrition and beauty. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, तो एक subscribe तो बनता है यार. So now let's get started with today's video which is about rose lip scrub. For rose lip scrub, we will need dried rose petals, coconut oil and glycerine for moisturization, whereas brown sugar and baking soda will act as an exfoliant. You can add few drops of lemon. Lemon naturally helps to lighten overpigmented areas. You can add castor oil, which is optional. Okay, so for making this lip scrub, you will need blended rose petals. I have already blended them. And you can dip this dried rose petal blend in glycerine for 5 minutes or so. Little bit of brown sugar, just a pinch of baking soda and little bit more brown sugar. Then few drops of lemon. Lemon naturally lightens overpigmented areas. And lastly, few drops of coconut oil. You can apply this lip scrub at any time of the day. You can mix this mixture with your fingers or a spoon. Once this mixture is mixed properly, you can try doing a patch test by just simply applying it over your hand and rubbing it in circular motion. Hey everyone, if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe, share and hit the bell icon and also give a big fat thumbs up.